What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Today we're going to be cleaning this Lexus steering wheel because a lot of people have the same problem where lotion or sunscreen or some kind of makeup will start staining the inside rim of the steering wheel. And that's exactly what we have here. You can see this kind of discoloration here, this kind of off-white look. This is caused by the lotion from your hands getting trapped on the leather of your steering wheel. And the reason why it's only on one side is because as you turn the wheel, you're scrubbing away the outside, which gives it this glossier effect. But then the inside still has the staining. So we're going to show you how to remove it using leather cleaner. Straight out of the bottle, it's not diluted because it's not necessary. And what we're going to do is spray it into one of our All in the Details brush. You can also spray the wheel itself. I'm going to protect my jeans by putting a towel down. Just a little spray here, we'll start at the bottom. And then you're going to agitate the cleaner, but you want the cleaner to do most of the work. You don't need to scrub excessively or use a harsh brush because that can damage the leather very easily. As many of you know, the leather is just a hide or a covering, and it's sensitive to scratches just like paint is or plastic. So you want to be cautious when you're cleaning it. And also you want to use the right products such as a leather cleaner or a leather specific cleaner so that you're not staining it or drying it out. Now we'll just clean off any excess here just to show you what we were working with. Just that light layer of dirt on there, body oils, because the car is fairly brand new, but from whatever reason the makeup or lotion has been staining the wheel. But we want it to last and look its best for as long as possible, so cleaning it periodically. A lot of people ask how often do you need to clean and condition your leather. Depending on the conditions, if the car sits outside a lot, like this car, it's not garage, so it spends most of its time outside. It's recommended to clean and condition the leather probably every 3 months just to keep up on it. But for the leather on the steering wheel, we don't want to add any kind of conditioners because that will cause the steering wheel to become slippery or it can give you, some kind of dangerous effect. So what we're going to do is just clean it off, and then we'll put on a UV blocker such as Interclean or Total Interior, which doesn't add any sheen and it also still remains dry to the touch, but it's going to protect against harmful UV rays or anything else that can damage it or stain it over time. So just by giving you a little before and after, you can see here we have this more of a matte look, which is what your leather is supposed to look like. Leather naturally is a matte finish. And then this is from the grease from your hands as well as the lotion or makeup that gives that glossier effect. And it also starts staining the stitching on the inside of the wheel here. So I'm going to work my way around the rest of the wheel, but you guys can head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, or your local detail garage to check out these products for yourself. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your comments down below for future videos, and we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. Try, but you never